In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove someone from Instagram group chat. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up Instagram application and then right here at the top right corner, tap at DMs icon. Next, open up some group chat and from here you can tap there where it says see group members, or you can tap here at the top on that names to go to details. And now here you can scroll down to the very bottom where you can find all chat members. Here I got 2 members and 1 invitation. And from here, as you can see, now I'm admin of the chat and I can simply remove any member from here. To do that, just tap here at 3 dots icon next to person's name and then select remove from group. That's it. I have just removed that person from my group chat. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.